Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. How you doing today? Gold unboxing, guys. Gold unboxing, fraction gold unboxing. So directly to the point. So I picture. I don't know how you guys. Sorry, this product is currently out of stock. Sorry, this product is out. It's currently out of stock. I pay attention. If I talk about crypto, it is pumping. If I talk about, fraction gold or silver, silver not so, but fraction gold, it disappear. Hi guys, maybe, one of smart apes is here, right? Maybe you need to listen, subscribe and share, So, this is what I bought. Helvetia. I keep buying Helvetia, guys. It's one of the most beautiful, and I bought 4 of them. Helvetia. Random year Swiss franc coin, and this is a piece of European history. You see, Swiss franc coin, Switzerland gold franc are well known throughout Europe. That both the active design, representation, the obverse depict Fritz Landry's representation. It's a kind of symbol of Switzerland. Reverse both the infamous Swiss shield, 20 francs, 0.1867, the old 0.1867, Troy ounce of 0.9 pure gold. By the way, you know what I learned something, guys? In 1 ducat, which is 23 karat almost, 1 karat which is less is silver. You understand? 23 karat of gold and 1 karat of silver in 1 ducat. I didn't know this. I learned something. Just wow. This coin is 22 ducat, something, right? Probably 71, 22 ducat, and the rest is copper. But in 1 ducat, whatever small portion, the 1 carat is silver actually. Also precious metal. Unbelievable. Just one more plus to 1 ducat. Okay, it's gone, guys. I bought them all. Helvetia, okay? It's hard to get last days. I'm telling you guys, you don't listen. I'm telling you it's hard to get last days. Soon it will be just half ounce. I mean, it will be 0.1 ounce of gold, but in what price, guys? It's already $230, $240. Soon it will be $2,500. And if gold, they will keep gold 2,000. What's the point to buy 2,500, right? So people will be moving to buy half ounce of gold. Okay, but still available, guys. So take a look, okay? So this is Helvetia, 900 fine gold, okay? And another coin I bought is this, is a Belgian 20 francs, okay? They say it random, may vary between effigy of Leopold 1, Leopold 2, or Albert 1. Okay, I'm interested what I got. Okay, so this is Leopold 1 was Belgium king, ranging from 31 to 61. 44 years his range. It's 44 years from 1865 through 1909. King Leopold II is the longest serving monarch in Belgian history. Long time, long like king die, long life king, blah blah blah, right? How they say. Albert was king of Belgium from 1909 to 1934 and ruled through World War I, while Belgium was occupied 90% by German Empire. Okay, so very interesting. These coins, for my observation, they because they are older, right? They disappear fast. Okay, so these coins are hard to get, especially it's in good condition. Okay, yeah, very beautiful coin. I don't know how you, but this coins will be beautiful. Fate. Here it say fiat. You see. Very cool, yeah. And this is Leopold 1 or Leopold 2 or Albert, okay? Very cool. And this is Helvetia, guys. I think it's one of the most beautiful. Landry, you see, the guy who designed it, you see, he's the designer. And this 20 francs. Beautiful gold. I think the more beautiful gold, it's only gold Russian ruble. And I told you guys, buy. Now it's 20-30% more expensive. I was buying 5 ruble below $300. Now it's around 400. Okay, guys. Okay, let's unbox. Okie dokie, so FedEx package is here. Going to open it, everything intact, everything looking good. Okay, now I need to open it. Here is the package. Silver gold bull, not bad packaging, but Monumental Metals is one of the best, guys. Let me check if any paperwork here. This is the gold, guys. I don't know how you, but I feel it's gonna blow. This is why I, whatever fiat I have, I just keep in precious metals or gold or silver, or best crypto, whatever. I don't know. I have very less trust in today's financial system. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2. That's gold. That's gold. Okay. Here we go. Random. 2. 20 francs gold coin. Random. 4. Swiss. Helvetia. Voila. Voila. You guys are the first to look. So let's first look into Helvetia. Helvetia. Let's look into Helvetia coins. Gold coins. You cannot go wrong with gold coins, guys. There is something in gold, In silver you need kilos and kilos and kilos, and in gold all you need is small teeny. Okay. Yeah, this appears to be BU 909. This is 27, I think. This is 36, and this is something called. This is 1914. Yeah, that's not a restrike, guys. That's not a restrike. That's original, because as far as I know, 1950 restrike. You see, they are all original coins, guys. They are not even restrike. What a beauty, huh, guys? What a beauty. Helvetia gold. Helvetia gold. This is how much ounces? Almost 0.8 ounces of gold. Almost 0.8 ounces of gold. Beautiful. Okay. Helvetia, cannot go wrong with Helvetia. And now we have, let's see what we have. Leopold 1, Leopold 2, or Albert 1, I think. Very interesting. I am also curious. What do I have? Oh, okay. Leopold 2nd. I think they both Leopold 2nd. What do you say? I think they both Leopold 2nd. Yep, Leopold 2nd. And this is Leopold 2nd. What year it is? 1874. Wow, guys. That's the old beast. 1870. What is this one? 1875. Wow. 1875, Leopold 2nd, 20 francs. Very cool piece of history, and the cheapest gold possible, guys. It's around $2,000 for fraction gold. Okay, if you do calculation, I pay 370 something, 370 something. No, sorry, 360 something, 365. Which is below $2,000 for fraction gold. Okay, good luck to find fraction gold below $2,000. Really, guys, good luck. Okay, all this paper bullshit they are telling you 1900, 1800. I just see people buying precious gold like a crazy. I saw this one Ducat which I was buying for $220 on eBay. People buying for $240, and it's just gone, guys. It's just gone. 1874. Okay, very cool. So let me do some gold validation with you and also, you know, put in capsule, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, as usual, any gold which I am buying, I always do verification. So here is our Helvetia, 90%, as you can see, 90% gold. I don't remember, 22 karat or 21 karat, something like this. And 10% copper, so let's go. Ready. Okay, inside the brackets, gold, 90% gold. I pay attention that this, you know, this is a Leopold, and this is Helvetia, and that's probably the same. Helvetia. More to side is also, this is Leopold. Yeah, that's depend where you put. Yeah, gold. So we good. So validation is a must, okay? Even it's a dealer, I always do validations. Next, you know, I'm going to put in capsule. Okay, so going to put them in capsules. So first of all, I am using my rings. 21 something, you know, this Helvetia, and 21 millimeters something. And this Leopold, it's very similar, 21 something. And the white, how wide they are? 1.4 for Leopold, 1.4. Yeah, they're pretty much the same size. Okay, all these coins, they have the same size. So yeah, I think these rings, I'm using these rings which I bought. You know, I show you one time when I bought it, how I do it. So yeah, first of all, I'm putting them into these rings, which is pretty much doing the same thing. Yeah, beautiful coins. Okay, so I need 5 more of this, 5 more of them. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I don't know how you guys, you know, are you buying gold, are you buying silver, you know, what are you doing those days? I don't like what's going on in the world. I just don't like. So I keep minimum cash, 4-5 salaries, okay? And all the rest I'm moving all into gold or into silver. Oh, I recently bought very nice silver bars, 10-ounce silver bars. I'm going to show you next time. Wow, it's a piece of art, guys. It's a piece of art, okay? I'm going, and yeah, just by secret, I'm telling you, I bought them. Maybe in 1 week it will come. You will enjoy, guys. You know, I am huge collector of wealth, which is 10-ounce silver bar. I don't, you know, collect coins, but I do collect silver bars. So I'm huge collector of these bars. So we will explore them next time, okay? Gold. I don't know. I just don't have enough because I was always buying silver, and I start to feel that I need to put some of my funds from silver into fraction gold, okay? I'm not rich enough to buy non-fraction gold. Okay, my financial status is okay, but I'm not a millionaire. So I try to invest into fraction gold whenever it's possible. Yeah, Leopold, very cool gold coin, okay? I was thinking, you know, I like Helvetia more, but now Yeah, Leopold grow in my eyes. It's also not bad. It's also not bad. It's also not bad. Okay. So here we go. Okay, now this is the box I use. Okay, this is the box I use. Someone asked me, see my gold video. I bought it from Amazon, and I'm using this capsule. 5, 6. Not a perfect capsules, okay, because you need to little bit adjust them, you know, little bit clean them and all this together. So I usually do cleaning. You know, I like perfection, but as everything in our life, nothing is perfect, guys. Nothing is perfect. But you can adjust them a little bit, make them more perfect for your eyes. Okay, I am sure most people, they don't care even, you know, what I am doing here. You know, I just like doing this. I really do. I just like perfection, and if it's possible for me to make it more perfect, then why not, right? Okay, that's a not bad capsule. Okay, they have this, you know, little pin so you can open it. There's always something inside. There is always something inside. So let me move it close so you guys can enjoy. Leopold. Yeah, it's good to be king, right, guys? What do you say? It's good to be king, but it's not good to be dead king. I don't know. If you're dead, why you care? But we live a lot of lives. I believe in reincarnation. I know a lot of stuff, a lot of things. And in between, you know, I'm talking to you. Do you believe in reincarnation? Reincarnation. I'm working with Indian guys and they know what is reincarnation. If not in this life, it will be another life, okay? So I think they are very close, but this life is a lessons, okay? We are here to get our lessons. We all need to pass our lessons. This is the purpose of this life. We are souls. We are not body. All movies which you see in Hollywood, Avatar, remember? They're just telling you guys, you don't want to look. They are telling you, we are avatars, guys. We are not real bodies. We are avatar. What is real is only soul inside us. Okay, so this gold, what I'm doing, it's dust. Okay, I know it's dust. Doesn't make any sense. It is just for, you know, for next generation, for my son, for my daughter. You know, let them enjoy. You know, the father was smart ape. Okay, then he was, I remember this picture. He was smart. You know, he was very smart. Like, I will be more glad if one of my kids will tell, you know, his kids, oh, it's all we have because our father was very smart man. Okay, it will, you know, in next life when I knew they are talking about me like this, I will enjoy. What about you guys? Will you enjoy? I think so, right? We all need to enjoy. This is why we are here, right? So it's part of our journey to enjoy. In the age of Aquarius, you know, we are stuck a real stuff, not a garbage. So someone maybe start buying, you know, $2,000 of, you know, stocks and bonds, you know. No, I'm buying this, guys. That's me. This is silverGameOfThrone, okay? Man, I'm missing this Silver 5150, you know. His stories about, you know, people buying cars in silver and all this, you know, but this is cool. Okay, guys, it was long. Another gold to my collection. I hope you enjoy. I was doing this with you as we talk, and then silverGameOfThrone is out. You have a great weekend in front of us. All the best, guys. Bye-bye.